My favorite Korean water, by the way. When my allergies get really bad, my eyes get so like puffy. Oh, it's casting.
Oh my god, I love it. I don't know, I guess it just depends. Everyone's different. Like certain things appeal to me more where I'm like, this is worth my money. Ew. Oh, that was intense. And then other things. Bless me. Any more?
Usually it's 3 now, but I'm just not sure about the body, whether it's like flattering because it is like baggier. Why am I always sneezing in videos? Oh my god. Send help. There were also lots of ooh.
Yeah, it's like a good one. Like sneezing. Sorry. It's horrible.
But you're allergic to what? Or
Plants.
you need to do a sneezing montage.
You're allergic.
I am. You ever hear me say something like that? For you. Why you?
Там мне было отлично в моих обычных носках. Я горя не знал. Будь ты здорова. Будь ty zdrowa.
Pięknych jest taka alejka, gdzie są różne akcje. O nie, zaraz kichnę. Czyli prawdę mówię.
It's been done. It costs $200 plus. And is it worth it? Wait. Sorry, I need to sneeze. I always sneeze. God.